Thought it would be fun to videotape the trip back, especially with me pointing backwards. Oh, no, you can talk. That's quite all right. You aren't here, you didn't do this. I understand. Yeah, it's a great service that y'all offer. I think it's really, really neat. Oh, absolutely, yeah. With anything that you've got to carry back and forth, it makes things much easier. Like you said last time, this breeze makes it positively refreshing. Do you know if the buildings were built separately and then the bridge put across afterwards? I wondered.
And you know, I don't remember when this one was put across. I think the other one was first.
Oh.
This one, but it's only been in the last 5, 6 years.
My goodness. So it's a fairly recent bridge then. Wow.
But we never have an air bridge that goes over 90s to the office buildings.
Oh.
And people come and they're totally
I was in the office building. Oh yeah, that doesn't help.
so I walked. I mean, this is when I was in different air bridges or windows and everything.
Oh yeah.
All right, is this where you want to be?
This is where I want to be. I sure do appreciate it. I'll just turn around real quick so that we can see what it is that I've been writing. Excellent.